Hello everyone, this is Deepika Patel and welcome to the School Kids class. So today we will be discuss the variations. Okay, so in the previous class we have discussed the chapter 8 of class 10th NCERT. So in the previous class we have discussed the reproduction, what is reproduction, and we have also discussed the do organisms create exact copy of themselves. So the answer themselves. So the answer is no. Okay, because when cell divides, in the previous class we have discussed cell have the nucleus, okay, and in the nucleus we have chromosomes, and in the chromosomes we have DNA, and this DNA contains the information of inheritance, and based on this information the DNA makes a protein. Okay, so it is based on this information. Okay, so the information is similar to our parent cells, means the original cell. When this original cell divides or replicates, so this formed many cells, okay, multiple cells, and all these cells have similar informations from the original cell, because the information are transferring from the original cell to the duplicate cells or the multiple cells which we have. Okay, so this information is similar to the original cell informations, but so similar to the original cells informations. Okay, that's why our body design is similar, but sometimes sometimes what is happening when this cell is dividing. Okay, so when this cell is dividing, sometimes what is happening, the information which are transferring from one cell to the another, there are some minor changes, and these minor changes are called the variations. Okay, and because of these variations we cannot look like exactly to our parents. Okay, so you are not looking like your mom exactly or your father exactly. Okay, so you are a mixture of your mom and father. Okay, that's why why you are the mixture of your mother and father, because of these variations, and these variations are happening because of the information which are transferring from one original cells to the duplicate cells. Okay, so I hope this I make you understand this. So this variation leads to the evolutions. So this evolution is not coming in one or two generations. Okay, this is taking like over thousand of years, thousand or 10,000 of years. Then this evolution is happening. Evolution simply means the growing populations of another species. Okay, so means here what is happening, when variation leads, this variation over thousand of years leads to the evolution. And what is evolution? The evolution of new species from the species which have variations is happening. Okay, okay, so I hope this is clear for you, and let's discuss some important terms. Like we have niche. So what is niche? Suppose you are in your room. Okay, so in a room you have your bed, you have your study table, okay, you have your some toys, some books, okay. So this is your comfort zone for your living, okay, for your living. Or the house which is our comfort zone for our living, for our survival. Because if we live without a house, so there are many physical changes around the environment, in the environment, like the sunlight, the temperature is high, okay, rain is rain is ha- rain is happening, okay. So we do not survive in the after the outside of our house, okay. So this is our comfort zone. Same the niche, okay. So niche is a unique functional role or a place of a species in an ecosystem. So let's suppose it is an ecosystem. So there is a species like a species of cat, okay. So in this ecosystem there are some places like this place. So this place will be a cat niche, because in this place cat is survived. Cat is this is a comfort zone of the cat, okay. Let's say the terrestrial organisms which is living on the land, and the organisms which is living on the water, okay. So what are the niche of the giraffe? So what are the needs of the giraffe? The area of the land, okay, because the giraffe cannot live in a water. So the particular area in a ecosystem where a species can survive or can live, okay, can live, can grow, can reproduce, so that is called a niche. A functional role or place of a species means a place in an ecosystem, a particular place in an ecosystem, whether it is land or water, whether it is land or water, where a species, not a organism, not a population, not an individual, okay. So where a species can live, survive, okay, grow, reproduce. So these are, so that place is the niche for that species. So you can see here the living, the surviving, the growing, the reproduction, or whatever is happening there. So these are all the functional role of the species, okay. So I hope the definition is clear for you. So a particular area in an ecosystem where a functional role of a species can be defined, so that is called the niche of that species, okay. And what is evolution? So evolution is same, the variation in the inbuilt tendency of variation during reproduction is the basis for the evolution. So over thousand of years variation over thousand of years leads to the evolution. Evolution means the growing of new species, okay. So I hope this is clear for you, because these are the basic understanding. If you if you if you understand this, so the further chapter will be easy for you, okay. So please remember that all the terms, and please keep revising, keep learning, and keep joining the class again. And thank you for the joining class. Thank you again.